Hello, this quick start video will guide us through creating safety training for hazard recognition. We're using the SMSVC Hazard 360 Builder. There are two programs. Builder is for those creating training. Player is for those going through the training that's been created. So when you start up Builder, this is what you'll see. You'll want to add a video. This is meant to be a 360-degree video. You can get these from Insta360 cameras, GoPro Fusion cameras, and various others. We've included a sample 360 video. Here we are. Once you're in, right-click and drag to look around. You can look up, down, all around. And our next step is we want to add a clickable. Okay, so this is going to be our hazards that we're going to identify and we want somebody to find in the scene. So you can drag this around with your left mouse button. You can grab this little corner and resize it. In this case, we'll go ahead and do this handrail. We'll give it some information here, so it's going to be labeled as whatever we put in here. So they will see handrail. We'll call this a pinch point for when the train car moves, you can get pinch between. We'll give some description. For right now, I'm just going to put in some placeholder text. You can then add a quiz where you would put whatever quiz question. This could very easily be, what would you do to mitigate this hazard? Fill in whatever answers. So I'm, again, just going to put A, B, C for now, but these can be descriptive answers. They will be randomized for the player. We'll add some information. Good job. Always remember, and give some other information for this area. You can change the order of these. You can add more quizzes, more information. When you're done, you can also set the initial position. So let's say we want to start looking that way. Right here, just do set initial view. When you can test that in player mode, or you can just save. And so we'll go ahead and save our scene, and we're just going to call this quick start. All right, and we can exit the builder. So when you want trainees to go through this, they'll launch the player. They'll then open that scenario. So just tell them to open whichever training you've prepared for them. And now they're going to go through. They'll get some sample instructions. And essentially they're tasked with finding all of the different types of hazards. So pinch point, we know there's one that we've created. So far we've found 0. There we found it. And now we got to go through whatever other content. Here's the randomized answers. If you get a wrong answer, you can't move on until you get it right. And when you find all the hazards, that completes the training. So that completes the quick start. Hope it's useful.